What's going on, everybody? Right now I'm filming with my brand new Sony HDR-CX240 camcorder. Yeah, it's windy outside today. Oh, this morning the wind was worse. As you can see, I'm testing out the new camera. There's Joe's car and there's my car. You know what? Let's go ahead and start up just while I'm here. Got the keys. Oh, this before you guys know. Wait. See? There's my new camera. Alright. Oh, there's stuff in the back. I did not see that. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this test out video of my new camcorder, so bye now.